Today, we are gathered here to celebrate National Space Day, a day that encourages us to dream big and look beyond our world into the vast universe. Today, this reminds us that space is not just about stars and planets, but also about human imagination, courage, and innovation. From the mighty rockets that lift off from Earth to the satellites that help us in communication, weather forecasting, and even GPS, space technology has become an important part of our daily lives. We also take this opportunity to salute the scientists, engineers, and astronauts whose dedication and hard work make these discoveries possible. Their journey inspires us to think boldly, work hard, and believe that nothing is impossible. As students, let us use this day to spark our curiosity, ask more questions, and nurture a passion for science and exploration. Who knows, one day, one of us might be part of a great space mission. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Xavier from first standard. First standard. Moksha Sri from first standard. And there are two here. Second standard, Chaitanya and Ritik from third standard, Bhavita from third standard. Joshna, special look from second standard.
By 5th grade student A. Joshna. Good morning everyone. Respected principal, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. My name is Joshna. Today is 23rd of August, National Space Day. At first I wish you all a very happy National Space Day. National Space Day is celebrated on 23rd August, marks a historic moment in India's space journey. ISRO, our first National Space Day. On this day, India marks the anniversary of the Chandrayaan-3 mission's historic soft landing of the Vikram lander on the moon, which occurred on August 23rd, 2025. This achievement made India the first country to reach this explored region, and India became the fourth country to land on the moon after the US, Russia and China. Every year, August 23rd has been of India declared as National Space Day by Government of India, Shri Narendra Modi. The theme of 2025 this year's theme is Aryabhata to Gaganyam, Asian wisdom to infinite possibilities. Jai Hind. Now a space song. Today, 23rd August 2025. Why 23rd August? 2 years ago, on 23rd August 2023, the whole world was with wonder as India's Chandrayaan-3 mission successfully landed its Vikram lander and deployed the Pragyan rover on the moon's south pole. This was not just a scientific achievement, it was a historic first. India became the fourth nation in the world to land on the moon and the first ever to touch down on the challenging South Pole region. To honor this unforgettable achievement, our Prime Minister declared August 23rd as National Space Day. It was celebrated for the first time in 2024 and now in 2025. We are marking the second edition of this proud National Day. This year's theme is Aryabhatta to Gaganyaan, ancient wisdom to infinite possibilities. India's ancient astronomical heritage presented by the great mathematician Aryabhatta to our modern teams like Gaganyaan, India's first human spaceflight mission getting closer to launch. India's space journey is a true journey to determination. From launching our very first satellite Aryabhatta in 1975 to the trusted PSLV rockets that carried satellites for the whole world, to Chandrayaan missions exploring the moon, Mangalyaan orbiting Mars on the very first attempt, Aditya L1 studying the sun, and the upcoming Gaganyaan mission that will send South Indian astronauts into space. Looking ahead, India aims to establish a space station by 2035 and send astronauts to the moon by 2040. It reminds us that dreams can come true into reality with courage and science. It inspires students like us to choose careers into STEM, which stands for Science, Technology, Engineering and Mathematics. It builds confidence that India is not only keeping pace but also leading into space exploration. It shows that young minds today could be tomorrow's astronauts, space scientists or innovators. An inspirational thought, as Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam once said, dreams are not what you see when you sleep. Dreams are those that don't let you sleep. Chandrayaan-3 was once just a dream, but our Indian scientists made it real. Tomorrow, it might be one of us sitting in a space capsule waving at the India flag beyond the Earth. On this second National Space Day, let us celebrate not just ISRO's success, but also the power of curiosity, learning and imagination. Let us promise ourselves to ask questions, to never stop exploring, and to contribute in our own way to India's journey from Earth to Mars. Jai Hind. By our principal teacher.
Good morning, everybody. You may know about the importance of today. It's National Space Day as we launched as our country, India. We are very proud to shout out as loudly as possible that we stood above all the competitive countries in the field of space, that is the one department, one area in which our country raised its head is ISRO. So here launching of Chandrayaan became a very good pride to our country. So why CBSE insisted to motivate our children to conduct these type of events means in order to inculcate scientific innovation from their minds right from their childhood, so that let us all try and work towards the innovative world to make our school as the best among all.